How do flowchart connectors work? Have you ever looked at a flowchart and felt overwhelmed by the information? Flowchart connectors can help simplify that experience. They are essential visual tools that link different parts of a flowchart, guiding you through a process step by step. By using these connectors, you can see the direction and continuity of tasks more clearly. There are two main types of flowchart connectors. First, we have on-page connectors. These are perfect for connecting parts of a flowchart that are on the same page but might be far apart. Instead of drawing long lines that take up space, an on-page connector uses a small circle with a letter or symbol inside. When you spot the same letter or symbol in another circle, it indicates that the flow continues there. This approach keeps your chart neat and helps maintain focus without clutter. Next, we have off-page connectors. These connectors link parts of a flowchart that are on different pages. They are usually represented by a shape like a half square or a tab with an arrow and a number or letter inside. This symbol shows that the process continues on another page, which is especially useful for large or complex flowcharts. In addition to these connectors, flowcharts also use flow lines or arrows to connect shapes directly. These lines can be straight, elbow-shaped with right-angle bends, or curved. A key feature of these connectors is that they attach to specific points on the shapes. So, if you move a shape, the connector moves with it. This keeps your flowchart organized and easy to update. From a study hacks perspective, using flowchart connectors effectively can help you maintain clarity and focus when visualizing complex information. By reducing visual clutter and clearly indicating where the process continues, connectors support active recall and concentration. This makes it easier to follow and remember the sequence of steps or ideas. When you break down complicated topics or workflows into manageable parts, it improves understanding and retention during study sessions. So, next time you create a flowchart, remember the power of connectors. They can transform your study experience by making information easier to digest and recall.